Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part one. Your
Okay.
topic is spending time by yourself. Spending time by yourself means spending time alone.
Yes,
So now you
exactly.
can use vocabulary words which are related to loneliness, alone, on my own, isolation. These type of words should be practiced. So
Okay.
let's take a start. Do you usually spend time by yourself?
Yes, definitely. I do love to spend time by myself, giving me myself a time so that that will be very beneficial for me to rejuvenate me and gather my powers itself. So I definitely love to give time to myself so that I can be fresh again.
All right, this answer is good, but don't use future because
Okay.
question is in the present tense. So
Okay.
just stick to present and try to make complete sentences with proper connecting words.
Okay.
What did you do last time when you were by yourself or when you were alone?
Okay, these days I'm studying these days, so that's why I give myself some time to study because rather other
The
day of time.
question is in the past tense, so you
Okay.
need to talk about one past incident where
Okay.
you spent time all alone. What did you do last time you were by yourself? Last time when I was alone, well, I remember last weekend there was no one at home. I was all alone and I watched my favorite movie with full volume and I had a party. I ordered pizza and this was the best time of my life. So,
Okay.
last time when I was alone, I gave myself a wonderful party.
Okay.
Something like that, okay?
Okay.
Be cheerful. I didn't do anything. I didn't give any party. मैं तो अकेला रहती नहीं मुझे डर लगता है, okay? I've got
Okay.
certain issues with that, okay?
Okay.
So, but you need to improvise the answer, an ideal answer and all that.
Okay.
Let's go on. Do you like spending time by yourself?
Yes, I do love spending time by myself, and I give myself different treats and spend my time alone watching movies and TV.
Okay, this is good. Now just try to connect these ideas with some connecting words and focus compound sentences.
Okay.
Let's go on. How do you usually spend time by yourself?
I usually watch TV or go to my study room and do studies for that. And definitely, sometimes I call my friends and talk to them, especially my university friends, and we have a very good time talking each other.
Yes, so usually I do these type of things whenever I am all by myself.
Okay.
At the end, one sentence conclusion, okay?
Okay.
All right, now let's go on. Your answers are good. Just try to organize them, connect them, and you'll be fine.
Okay.
It's gonna be your turn. Set the mic, please. What is your favorite number? Now, listen, don't think too much. What is your favorite number? What will
My
happen
favorite
now?
number is fourth.
Good.
Like it's my birthday number, and
You should speak more. My favorite number is 18 because it's my age as well, and I really like this number very much. Whenever I write any number anywhere, I try to write 18. Even in my mobile phone, there are two 18s. So, to answer your question, my
my
favorite
favorite
number
number
is
is four.
18. I don't like 18. Okay? Yeah. So, the thing is, you understand the point. Answers should be readily available. Here is the question, here is the answer, like a slap. Okay? Yeah, absolutely. Now, are you good at remembering phone numbers?
Yes, I do remember numbers like my home number, like my husband's number, my aunt, and like uh,
Yeah. Do you know your husband's mobile password as well?
yes.
No, no, I'm not. Okay. All right. Okay, this is
That's
not
a
here.
tricky one.
Okay, that's a tricky one. Exactly. Husbands don't know, but wives know the password.
For
Exactly.
each and every
Exactly.
app.
All right. So, are you good at remembering phone numbers? Now, you can associate some sentences related to memory. Say, I've got great memory, so I really easily I can recall the numbers and I remember many numbers on like that. Okay. Let's go on. Are you good at mathematics?
No, I don't like maths,
Good.
so I'm not so good in maths. So
Yeah. Now just say some solid sentences with some good vocabulary. Are you good at mathematics? No,
No.
I'm not expert at maths. Since my schooling, math has always been my weakness. And even today, I get confused whenever I have to do any calculations, expert, this and that.
Yes.
This is the vocabulary examiner wants to see. Otherwise, are you good at math? No, I'm not good at math. I'm bad at math. Sometimes I'm good at math, mostly I'm bad at math. That's it. Limited vocabulary, limited sentence structure. You need to come out of that, okay?
Okay.
Let's go on. How often do you use numbers?
Mostly I use numbers like in our daily routine, sometime like sometime to call someone or
Okay, your answers are short, you're lacking proper information in your answers, and you're communicating with very basic vocabulary. Try to come up with a variety, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.